Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murari Maths. Okay, now explain question number 1. Integral cos theta plus sin theta d theta by under root 5 plus sin 2 theta. Okay, in this problem numerator having cos theta plus sin theta. If numerator having cos theta plus sin theta, then this sin 2 theta can be written as sin 2 theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Okay, if numerator having cos theta minus sin theta, then sin 2 theta, the sin 2 theta can be written as cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1. Okay, okay. Now the statement cos theta plus sin theta d theta by in denominator under root 5 plus the sin 2 theta. The sin 2 theta we have to write 1 minus cos theta minus sin theta whole square. 1 minus cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Why? Because if cos theta minus sin theta, let us take t, the numerator will be dt. Okay, so let us take cos theta minus sin theta equal to t. Now derivative on both sides, derivative of cos minus sin theta, derivative of sin theta, we get cos theta d theta equal to dt. Okay, now this value 1 minus 1 take out common, sin theta plus cos theta d theta, this will be dt. Okay, therefore integral cos theta plus sin theta d theta, this expression we should write minus dt by under root 5 plus 1 6 minus t square. So this minus 1 constant dt by under root, this 6 can be written as root 6 whole square minus t square. This is in the form of integral dx by root a square minus x square. This formula is sin inverse of x by a. So now I say that this is minus where a place in root 6, okay, and x variable place in a t, substitute in that formula sin inverse of x by a, where x by a means t by root 6. Okay, where t place in, we should write cos theta minus sin theta. What is the final answer? This answer is minus sin inverse. In the place of t, we should write cos theta minus sin theta. This is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral sin theta minus cos theta by under root 2 minus sin 2 theta. In the statement, in numerator having sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, then sin 2 theta can be written as, if in numerator having sin theta minus cos theta, then the sin 2 theta can be written as sin theta plus cos theta whole square, sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1. Okay, integral sin theta minus cos theta d theta by under root 2 minus the sin 2 theta place in, we should write sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1. Okay, so let us take sin theta plus cos theta t, this will be numerator will be dt. So let us take sin theta plus cos theta equal to t. Now derivative on both sides, derivative of sin theta cos theta, derivative of cos theta minus sin theta d theta equal to dt. Okay, in this one minus one take out common, so right reverse sin theta minus cos theta d theta, this will be dt. Okay, therefore sin theta minus cos theta d theta, this will be minus dt. So integral If sin theta plus cos theta t, then numerator will be minus dt. Minus dt by under root 2 minus, this place in right t square. So minus into minus, this is going to be plus 1. So minus constant dt by root over 2 plus 1, 3 minus t square. This 3 can be written as root 3 whole square minus t square. This is also same formula. Integral dx by root a square minus x square. This formula is sin inverse of x by a. Or sin inverse of t by root 3. Where t placing, we should write sin theta plus cos theta. This is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral 1 by 3 plus 4 sin square x. Okay, this is in the form of integral dx by a cos square x plus b sin square x. Okay. So what is the working rule? Divide either cos square x or sin square x on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, that is the working rule. So in this statement, denominator having sin square x. So same rule applying. Divide. We should divide cos square x on numerator as well as denominator. Okay. Now either sin square x or cos square x. So dx by cos square x, this whole divided by 3 by cos square x plus 4 sin square x by cos square x. Okay. This will be 1 by cos square x is nothing but secant square x dx by 3 into 1 by cos square x is secant square x. 4 into tan sin square x by cos square x, this is going to be tan square x. Integral secant square x dx by 3 times of, we have secant square x formula 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x plus 4 tan square x. Now this will be secant square x dx by, so 3 plus 3 tan square x plus 4 tan square x, this will be 7 tan square x. So 3 plus 7 tan square x. Okay. Okay. Integral secant square x dx by 3 plus 7 tan square x. This 7 tan square x can be written as root 7 tan x whole square. So integral secant square x dx by 3 plus root 7 tan x whole square. So let us take root 7 tan x equal to t. So root 7 tan x equal to t. Now derivative on both sides, root 7 constant, differentiation of tan x, we get secant square x dx equal to dt. Now secant square x dx, this will be equal to dt by root 7. Okay. Therefore integral secant square x dx, this relation we should write dt by root 7 into 3 plus t square. Okay. So 1 by root 7 constant, integral dt by, so 3 can be written as root 3 whole square plus t square. This is in the form of integral dx by a square plus x square. What is the formula? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. In this formula, we should write on a placing 3, on a placing root 3 and x placing t. So 1 by root 7 into, what is the formula? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, t by root 3. So this will be 1 by root 21, 7 3 is a, and to tan inverse of, in the place of t, we should write root 7 tan x by root 3. This is answer. Let us go to the next problem. So integral dx by 3 sin square x plus 4 cos square x. This is also same model. In this denominator having sin square x and cos square x. So what is the working rule? Divide either cos square x or sin square x on numerator as well as denominator. So divide cos square x on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, now we get integral dx by cos square x by 3 sin square x by cos square x plus 4 cos square x by cos square x. In this one cos square x get cancelled. This will be 1 by cos square x is nothing but secant square x dx by, this is 3 tan square x plus 4. Okay, so integral dx secant square x dx by 3 tan square x, this can be written as root 3 into tan x whole square plus 2 square. So let us take root 3 tan x equal to t. Let us take root 3 tan x equal to t. Now derivative on both sides. Derivative of tan x, we get secant square x equal to dx equal to dt. Okay, now we have to find secant square x dx. So secant square x dx, this will be dt by root 3. Okay, therefore integral secant square x dx, this relation we should write dt by root 3 by t square plus 2 square. dt by root 3 into t square plus 2 square. In this 1 by root 3 constant, this is in the form of integral dx by a square plus x square. We have one formula, a square plus x square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. What is the formula? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. In this 1 by root 3 constant. What is the formula? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, where a place in 2 and x place in t substitute. 1 by 2 tan inverse of t by 2 plus c. Therefore answer, this final answer 1 by 2 root 3 into tan inverse of, in the place of t we should write root 3 tan x by 2 plus. This is the final answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral dx by 2 sin x plus cos x whole square. In this statement, denominator having sin square x and cos square x. So what is the working rule? We should divide either cos square x or sin square x on numerator as well as denominator. So what is the working rule? Divide cos square x on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, now we get dx by cos square x, this whole divided by 2 sin x plus cos x. In denominator whole square is given, so by cos x divided by cos x divided by cos x. Now 1 by cos square x secant square x dx by 2 times of sin x by cos x, we get tan x, 1 cos x get cancelled. Okay, so by using substitution method, so let us take 2 tan x plus 1 equal to t. So let us take 2 tan x plus 1 equal to t. Now derivative on both sides. Now we have derivative of tan x is secant square x dx equal to dt. So therefore secant square x dx equal to dt by 2. So what is the statement? This is the statement, integral secant square x dx. So secant square x dx relation, we should write dt by 2 into 2 tan x plus 1. This relation write t square. This relation write t whole square. Okay. So 1 by 2 constant, integral dt by t square. We have formula minus 1 by t. So this will be minus 1 by 2 times of what is t? 2 tan x plus 1. So this is the final answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral sin x cos x by sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x. Okay. How can solve this problem? So divide cos x to the power 4 on numerator as well as denominator. Integral sin x cos x by cos to the power 4x, this whole divided by sin power 4x plus cos power 4x by cos to the power 4x divide by cos to the power 4x. In this cos to the power 4x get cancelled. Okay. Integral of 1 sin x by cos x. 1 sin x by 1 cos x get cancelled. This is written as cos cube x into cos x. So 1 cos x get cancelled. 1 sin by cos, 1 sin by cos, right, tan x, and 1 by cos square x. This can be written as secant square x. This whole divided by, this is tan power 4x plus 1. Okay. So let us take tan x is equal to t. Now this will be the differentiation on both sides, secant square x dx equal to dt. Okay. Integral, where tan x place in, we should write t, secant square x dx. This value we got it dt by 1 plus t to the power 4. 1 plus t to the power 4. Okay. Now integral t dt by 1 plus t to the power 4. This can be written as t square whole square. T square whole square. So let us take t square is equal to y. T square equal to y. Now derivative on both sides, 2t dt equal to dy. Okay, this will be integral t dt. This place in, we should write dy by 2. T dt value dy by 2. 1 plus t square whole square. This can be written as y square. So 1 by 2 constant, this formula is tan inverse y. So 1 by 2 times of tan inverse of, in the y place in, we should write y place in y place in t square. So 1 by 2 times of tan inverse of, where t is tan x. So tan x whole square. And this is the final answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral dx by 2 plus cos square x. Okay, this is same model. In denominator having cos square x function. So what is the working rule? Divide cos square x on numerator as well as denominator. Okay. Divide cos square x, either cos square x or sin square x. Okay. 2 by cos square x plus cos square x by cos square x. Now this would be integral 1 by cos square x. We got it secant square x by 2 into 1 by cos square x. This is secant square x. 1 cos square x get cancelled. Okay. Now integral secant square x dx by 2 times of, where secant square x formula 1 plus tan square x, right, plus 1. Therefore integral secant square x dx by, okay, this 2 multiply with 1 plus tan square x, 2 plus 2 tan square x plus 1. So this would be secant square x dx by 2 plus 1, 3 plus, this can be written as root 2 tan x whole square. Root 2 tan x whole square. So let us take root 2 tan x is equal to t. Now derivative on both sides. Now we get root 2 constant. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x dx equal to dt. Now if root 2 tan x is t, the secant square x dx, this is going to be dt. dt by root 2. Therefore secant square x dx value dt by root 2. Okay. Therefore dt by root 2 into 3. This 3 can be written as root 3 whole square plus t square. In this 1 by root 2 constant, this is the form integral dx by a square plus x square. Formula is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So 1 by root 3 tan inverse of t by root 3. Okay, this will be 1 by root 6 into 1 by root 6 into tan inverse of, in the place of t, we should write root 2 tan x. Okay, in the place of t, we should write root 2 tan x, 1 by root 6, root 2 into root 3, root 6, tan inverse of, in the place of t, write root 2 tan x by root 3 plus c. This is the final answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral sin x dx by sin 3x. Okay, we have sin 3x formula. Sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay, now substitute in this sin x dx by, so in 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, 1 sin x take out common, this will be 3 minus 4 sin square x. Okay, so in this write sin x into 3 minus 4 sin square x. In this one sin x get cancelled. Okay, so integral dx by 3 minus 4 sin square x. In this statement, denominator having sin square x function. So what is the process? So divide either cos square x or sin square x. Okay, so either cos square x or sin square x. So divide cos square x on numerator as well as denominator. Divide cos square x on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, this would be 1 by cos square x is secant square x dx by 3 by cos square x, 3 secant square x, sin 4 times of sin square x by cos square x, this would be tan square x. So secant square x dx by, okay, 3 times of secant square x. We have secant square x formula 1 plus tan square x. 3 times of 1 plus tan square x minus 4 tan square x. Okay, okay, this is, we got it, integral secant square x dx by 3 times of 1 plus tan square x minus 4 tan square x. Okay, integral secant square x dx by 1 3 multiply with 3 into 1 3, 3 tan square x minus 4 tan square x, 1 3 tan square x get cancelled, minus tan square x. 3 tan square x minus 4 tan square x. This will be minus tan square x. Okay, this 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. Okay, let us take tan x is equal to t. Now differentiation on both sides. Differentiation of tan x, we get secant square x dx equal to dt. Therefore integral secant square x dx, this would be dt by root 3 whole square minus t square. This is in the form of integral dx by a square minus x square. This formula 1 by 2a times of 1 by 2a times of log of a plus x by a minus x. 1 by 2a times of log of a plus x by a minus x, where a place in right root 3, x place in t. Okay, this would be 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 root 3. Okay, tan and 1 by 2a log of a plus x, root 3 plus t by root 3 minus t. So 1 by 2 root 3 log of root 3 plus, where t is tan x, where t place in right tan x. This is answer. 1 by 2 root 3 log of root 3 plus tan x by root 3 minus tan x. Okay, look at the next question. Integral sin cube x dx by cos to the power 4x plus 3 cos square x plus 1 into tan inverse of secant x plus cos x. So let us take tan inverse of secant x plus cos x is t. So by using substitution method, tan inverse of secant x plus cos x equal to t. So now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of tan inverse function 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by, this is x, 1 by 1 plus x square, secant x plus cos x whole square into, so differentiation of secant x plus cos x by using chain rule. The differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x, and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x equal to dt. Okay. Now, so secant x into tan x. Secant x into tan x, we convert into sin cos functions. Secant x formula 1 by cos x into sin by cos x. So 1 by cos x into sin by cos x, sin x by cos x minus sin x dx upon, so in this 1 plus, by using a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, secant square x plus cos square x plus 2ab, 2 secant x into cos x, okay, equal to dt. So secant x into cos x get cancelled. So 1 plus 2, 3. In the secant square x, write 1 by cos square x. Okay, this is, we got it. So let us do LCM on numerator cos square x. So what is LCM? Cos square x. 1 into sin x minus cos square x into sin x. So dx, this whole divided by, so secant square x. The secant square x can be written as 1 by cos square x. Okay, in denominator let us do LCM. What is LCM? Cos square x. So cos square x into 1 cos square x plus 1 cos to the power 4x plus 2 cos square x equal to dt. Okay, 1 cos square x get cancelled. In this, 1 sin x take out common, sin x, 1 minus cos square x. This 1 minus cos square x, right, sin square x dx by, in denominator cos to the power 4x, cos square x plus 2 cos square x, this is 3 cos square x plus 1 equal to dt. Okay, so what is the statement? Statement is integral sin cube x. What is the statement? Okay, this is the statement, integral sin cube x dx by this total denominator. If this value t, this whole sin cube x dx by cos to the power 4x plus 3 cos square x plus 1 will be dt. Okay, sin x into sin x, sin cube x. Sin cube x dx by cos to the power 4x plus 3 cos square x plus 1. This place in, we should write dt. So therefore dt by tan inverse of secant x plus cos x place in, write t. Integral dt by t. We got it, formula log t, log modulus of t. Therefore log of, in the place of t, we should write tan inverse of secant x plus cos x. This is the answer, final answer. Thank you for watching. The remaining problems I will explain on next class.